If you haven't seen part 1 and 2, in part 1 and 2 we are do the modeling and materialing of this character. Rigging your character is the simplest thing that you can ever imagine. First of all, go to the edit preferences and check the rigify add-on. Then press Shift A, armature and select human. Scale it till it fits your character. And then by pressing tab in edit mode, select the bones that you don't need. And delete them. And turn on mirror in x-axis. Now fit the bones with your character. Now select your character, shift select your bones, press Ctrl P and select with automatic weight. Now if you have a character with simple topology, it should work easy for you. But if your character have a topology like mine, and you see this, I show you how to fix it. First make sure you have a backup of your model or a copy, so you don't ruin your original model. Plan A. Go and delete interior faces. And then you should be okay. Plan B. Separate the models you think are the problem, like hair if you have. For example, as you can see, my problem is shoes and hat. Later you can join them to your character and we can fix it with weight paint. If it worked well for you, now you can move your character in pose mode. When you're moving your character, if you see something like this, we can fix it with weight paint. Select your character, go to the weight paint tab, and in data vertex group you can choose the bone you want to paint. By holding Alt and paint you can remove the weight, and by just painting, well, you paint the weight. If you want to paint all over the model, you can switch between a sphere and projected. This is projected. And this is a sphere. By the way, you can change your brush preset if you want. And this is where the fun begins. Pause mode tab. If you want some glow on your render, you can come to Compositing tab by adding a viewer node and press render. When your render is done, add a glare node and play with it till you're happy with it. And don't forget to plug it in Composite. If you enjoy watching, I appreciate you to like and hit the subscribe button. Enjoy the review.